Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Nasra here from my YouTube channel, Nasra Taj Not So Perfect. I just wanted to show you a few things in my washroom, or let's say bathroom, but I don't want to call it a bathroom because there is no bath here. There's just this shower and a sink, a toilet here. I, it's a very small place. What I'm trying to show here is how I have put so many of my things in this small little washroom. You can see there is no vanity here around the sink. Simply no vanity. There's just this little sink where you can't even put your soap on the sink. So with time, I have put many things in the windowsill. Thank God that they have a good windowsill. These are my money plants growing here. This is a bottle. It was a plain bottle and I have painted something on it. If I can make it a little more clear, I put some tissue paper on it, glued to it, and then painted kind of plants on it, whatever. And then I have this more money plant growing here. I love these bells. Okay, the main thing that I wanted to show you was this was a plain rack which I had to put somewhere, and there was I didn't know where to put my things. So I placed it here. What do you call it? Nailed it here, and then have some tape attached to it and it's holding it. This was basically a spoon rack, and usually the spoons would be falling out of it because it's not a good spoon rack. I hung it over here and now it's holding my kind of face washes and everything. This whole place is so delicate that you can hardly put anything on it, so I have placed a little bit of cosmetics on this. Okay, what I actually wanted to talk to you was that I've been thinking of making floating shelves. I have tried to put a few drill holes in, but it seems like there is something very hard in this wall that doesn't let me drill properly. So another idea was really successful. I have hung this rope attached to a nail over there, kind of made a bow out of the same rope, and with that rope I had this small piece, this literally a small piece lying around of probably discarded piece of wood that was used for something, and then it was lying around, and today I created this. I want to make a full video how I made this. I hope you like this video of mine. I hope you appreciate this shelf of mine. It's pretty snug. It's not going anywhere. It's holding quite a few of my things. I just placed a few things. I still have to set it up. But now this whole little place is holding so many of my day-to-day stuff that one uses, and some plants here that are good to look at, and then my shower head is broken right now. I've hung this plant just like that. I just want to make this little place a bit aesthetic, looking better. Then I have this bunny here. It's my grandson's bunny, which I love to keep, and it's kind of making a giving me a good vibe whenever I'm sitting here on the toilet. On the toilet. Yeah, you need to look at better things. I have my... Sorry, there are a couple of things that I didn't want. I have this plant here, my snake plant. It's not growing properly. I don't know what's wrong with it. There is a little leaf that seems to be coming out, but it's taking ages. It's literally taking ages. So that's all about my little washroom. Wanted to show that you can turn a small place into a better looking place. It was terrible, honestly, when I got this place. The thing that was most disappointing was the washroom. But then I'm still working on it. Planning to put some stencil work on these tiles here, because the color of the tile is not good. I don't like it. Maybe I'll stencil some leaves with the paint. So I'm again going to end on the creation that was created today, and I'm really proud of it. Honestly, I am really proud of this thing. There is another of my finds. I found it somewhere and I love it, and I'll be making a complete video of how I installed this shelf. I beg leave now. I hope and expect you to watch my channel, give it your likes and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you later.